Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So I just started this video and did almost the whole thing and realized I hadn't hit start. So I'm not sure if I'm repeating myself or not. So we're starting round 5 of turning the greenery hat into the greenery blanket. And if you are crocheting along with me and want to send me pictures on Instagram, please tag it with hashtag greenery blanket and tag me at VL Gormley. Okay, so this is the color that I chose for this last of the rounds that I am choosing, and then you'll get to vote from here on out. I'm going to join with a single crochet in a chain 1 space. Now, if you make the greenery hat along with the greenery hat video, and when it's all one color, then your ending round ends in a different place and you're not cutting and joining new yarn. But when we're joining new yarn, we can join anywhere that's convenient. So we did a single crochet in the chain 1 space, a single crochet in the first treble, and now this middle treble of the group of 3, we're going to pull up the green chain 5 loop and go under it and into the stitch, the middle treble crochet of that grouping with just a single crochet, and then single crochet in the purple all by itself, the last one of the treble 3 group. And then single crochet in the chain 1 space. I just can't resist, friends, crocheting over my tails. It's a compulsion, I guess. I just love crocheting over the tails. And we're gonna have different colors for every single round. So there's a lot of tails. So this middle one of the group, we're gonna pull up the chain 5 loop, put your whole hook into it and into the top 2 loops of the next stitch and just work a single crochet. Be generous with your yarn there so that it doesn't tug too snug. So I hope you're having fun with this relaxing and valuable use of our time and valuable use of our stash. So the greenery hat all in one color was so much fun to make, and I've made several of them now. I just love, love, love the pattern, and I thought, wow, this would be really amazing in multicolored yarn. So hey, why not use our stash? Why not have fun with color? Why not let you guys vote from now on, round after round, what color you want me to use? And these are the options here of colors. So I don't think they'll let me list all of them in the poll at the bottom, but I'm going to try. If you don't care what color, but you still want to participate, I'm going to try to make an option of, I don't care, just keep going. And then we'll go from there, but I'll try to honor the vote of what you guys choose for the subsequent colors. Sometimes when I work over tails, the little cut ends pop through to the front, so I'm just going to pull that out so that it doesn't pop through to the front. I'll weave it in later. And remember to single crochet in the chain 1 space. Remember to single crochet in the first of the trebles in the group. Pull up the green and single crochet in it and the middle treble of the group. Then just the purple by itself, just the chain 1 space by itself. Okay, so ooh, that's turning out really pretty. So here we go. So we're in the next grouping now, single crochet and pull up the green. Ooh, Theo hears something. He's gonna jump and shake my table. Okay, and then single crochet in the purple, single crochet in the chain 1 space, single crochet in the purple, pull up the loop. All right, did you know that I have channel memberships? Did you know that you can support the channel just with a small amount monthly, like as low as $1.99 if you value this content and want to see me keep going and want to do a channel membership? You certainly can. That is available. I have a few channel members. Shout out to them. Yay! Thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. It's like a virtual cup of coffee, and I'm so grateful. I love doing the YouTube channel. If I could do this full-time and nothing else, I would give you content all the time. But yay, I have to pay bills. Don't we all? Okay, so single crochet in the treble, single crochet by pulling up the green, working under it, through it, and through the top 2 loops of the stitch behind with a single crochet. And don't forget to single crochet in that last treble crochet. Now we're going to end round 6, and now is when I'm going to try to put a poll for you to vote on what color should come next if we're all crocheting together and I have all of these colors to choose from. So you get to vote. Lefties go to the upper right-hand corner, lefties go to the upper left-hand corner for the next video in the series, but I'm going to wait till I have 25 votes asking me to keep carrying on to this design as we go, design along mandala greenery blanket. And don't forget, if I get to the width of the shoulders and you guys want to see it as a circle jacket, please leave in the comments below that you're interested in that, and then I'll know, because otherwise I don't know.